How to tag someone on Instagram story without it showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can tag someone on your Insta story without it showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Instagram. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can tap on your story on the top left or simply swipe right. After you do that, you can then select a picture for your story. So I'll just select this random picture right here. And let's say that I want to add this on my story and tag someone. To tag someone, you can simply tap anywhere and there you will see your text pop up. Here, tap on add and then tag whomever you want, like this. So after you tag someone, you can change this to make it minimalistic. So I'll just remove everything and there you go. Now there are different ways you can remove this. One is you can minimize this so that normal eyes can't catch it like this and hide it somewhere. Or what you can do is you can simply swipe it like this to the side until it's out of the frame. Doing that, you'll have tagged the person, but it will not get shown right here. Now tap on your story, and this should get added to my story rather quickly. It depends on your internet speed. So let it upload, and while this uploads, you guys can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So it's almost done, and there you go. Now, if you head over to your chat section, you will see that you have added this your friend on your story, and that's how you tag someone without it showing on your story. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.